Hello, and welcome to this short tutorial for addressing common errors in the automated table of contents in the doctoral capstone template. This video will cover resources and available instructions for creating an accurate table of contents, what to do if headings are not appearing in the table of contents, what to do if extra text is appearing in the table of contents, and what to do if you cannot correct a formatting error in your document based on the available instructions. The doctoral capstone templates are available for download on the Form and Style website. Before you transfer your draft into the correct template for your program, you should read over the instructions carefully. Detailed instructions appear either in the text and marginal comments of the template itself, or in a separate instructions document that accompanies the template and is available for download on the same page. These instructions give detailed steps for how the template works and how you can use its various features correctly. In addition, the Using the Doctoral Capstone Template demonstration video will show you the basic steps to get started using this tool. After you review the template demonstration video and read all of the template instructions, you may still have questions. For more detailed or specific questions about formatting your document, visit the Academic Skills Center resources for Microsoft Word. These resources include detailed instructions for different formatting functions, such as correcting page numbers and applying styles to your headings. Contact Word support at waldenu.edu or schedule a one-on-one appointment with the Academic Skills Center if you need further assistance. When the information in the automated table of contents does not match what appears in the main text, this means that the text in the document does not have the correct style tags applied. For more on applying styles in the document, review the demonstration video and the instructions in the templates and on the Academic Skills Center website. One common problem students report are headings in the main text that do not appear in the automated table of contents when they update it. Even if you manually type in the headings and corresponding page number, the next time you update the automated field, the heading will still be missing. This means that the heading or headings you added in the main text are not tagged with the correct style. The automated table of contents is programmed to recognize text that has been tagged with the APA Level 0, 1, and 2 styles. Even if your heading looks correctly formatted in the main text, the table of contents will not recognize it as a heading unless you tag it. To fix this error, find the heading missing from the table of contents in the main text. Highlight the heading and check to see what style is applied according to the Styles menu by clicking the drop-down menu in the Styles section of the Home tab. Apply APA Level 0, 1, or 2 to the highlighted heading by finding it in the Styles list and selecting it. You can even clear all formatting from the text first, then apply the correct style tag. As you will see, adding the style tag will also add the correct formatting, such as boldface type, double spacing, and centered or left alignment. Repeat this step in the main text for all headings missing from the table of contents. Then try updating the automated table of contents again. At this point, the previously missing headings should appear. Another common problem is extra text showing up in the table of contents when you update it. When this happens, all of the headings may appear correctly, but there may also be paragraphs, reference entries, images, or other content appearing in the table of contents that does not belong. You can delete extra text from the table of contents and still update the page numbers only. Each time you update the whole field, however, the extra text will appear again. This means that there is text in your main document tagged with a style the automated table of contents recognizes as a heading. To remedy this, you will need to remove the style tag from the passages in the main text you do not want to appear in the table of contents. One way to do this is to highlight the extra text in the table of contents and use the Find function to locate the same text in your draft. You can easily use the Find function through the shortcut Ctrl+F. Highlight the whole line or paragraph in the main text and check to see what style is applied according to the Styles menu. You can either clear all formatting from the text first, or apply the normal or body text styles from the Styles list to the text directly. You may need to make further adjustments, such as indenting a paragraph or restoring double spacing. Next time you update the table of contents, this text should no longer appear. Sometimes, even if you read all of the instructions and tried all of the recommended steps, there will be an issue in the document you cannot fix. At this point, you might try pasting your text into a new template. Sometimes this will resolve the issue or at least help you determine what the error is. If that does not work, you can contact Word support at waldenu.edu or schedule a one-on-one appointment with the Academic Skills Center if you need further assistance. You may also need to contact Microsoft directly for office support. We hope you have found these tips for correcting the template's automated table of contents useful. If you have any other questions about formatting guidelines in the Form and Style Checklist or any of the Capstone formatting resources, please contact editor@waldenu.edu.